Oh, so hot. So
top of the window. This line is overflow. It goes above the window. This is my drain. Goes to the sink. That's the drain pan. And that's a shut off. So if both of this fail and the water drips on this will shut off the system.
Grande. A la mitad.
This one right here goes right there. I have to put it elbow with a piece down. Goes right there. The primary is coming there, connected there, and connected there. Connect this, reduce it. Put the sealer. Condensation is already. Almost finished, a little bit I have to do. They have to frame the boxes. I have to put 2x4s. Hi everyone, this job is almost done. So today we came to do the touch-ups. Few things left to do today, and as I said that I will show you guys how to do the condensation line, and also we will the copper line to the system. We already run it from inside the wall up to the ceiling to the unit. So we have to wrap that TY there with insulation just like this one, and we have to connect the 10-inch to that TY there. But the rest of the thing is done. As I said that, we will put the overflow right here. I don't know, once they put the soffit, then I cut it short, because right now I don't want to cut it short. Sometimes
they put the soffit and then they cover that. So I leave it till the end, till they finish everything, and then I come and make it even with the soffit. So this one goes to the overflow right to the unit, and the drain line comes right here. Then the plumber will connect it to the P-trap here, and the pipe goes up there, there. There is 1/4 inch drop for every 1 feet. So from that point to that point is 10 feet. So I should have quarter. So probably like 2 inches slope so the water can drain easy. So I'm gonna go weld the pipe now, and we'll see you guys at the attic. And the drain goes there, down to the sink, and comes up here. And then there, it goes all the way up, and then to the unit. The overflow goes that way, and that's the drain pan shut-off switch. Now I'm gonna weld the pipes and show you guys how to do the welding right. Okay guys, so I see a lot of you guys weld the pipes. There's two kinds of welding. One is that you weld the pipe, solder the pipe. You make sure that the solder goes inside the joint and close the opening. There's another weld, they call it cup, that you melt the solder, you go around it and you make it like a cup. Especially you do the cup when you have one pipe a little bit bigger, and there's a little gap that you cannot fill it, because when you push it inside, the solder will go inside the pipe. So what you do, from outside you cap the pipe. So when you're welding on this part, make sure you solder it, not cap it. So let's start doing on this one. I have to get everything ready. This one comes with a plastic cover. Let me put it here. First. This is pushed a little bit too much this way. It's not straight, so I don't like to bend it no more, so I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna cut it, make it shorter.
Very small space to work. It's not enough room. I can move. Who's smoking?
Try and make it spin, the yellow one. If you smoke good cigarettes. All the way.
I think I'm running out of oxygen. go down, hold everything, so don't have water to spray it. So. Let me see, you guys see any leak? No. I close this part. Close this part. I put the service valve. Now I hold it. We do cap here. This is called cap. So we warm up the pipe. We just lay the solder on the pipe like this. I don't push it too much inside. Just leave it and this is cap. So you just mill the solder and push it around the pipe without inserting it all the way inside. So this will scap the shredded valve to the service valve to the pipe. That's it. I don't know whose water was this. I don't think they're gonna drink it because the top was open. It's from last night, I think. From yesterday.
çişini bir go çisko.
Is it leaking anywhere? Can you hear anything? I'm at 300 psi. I only put one nail at the flashing because they're gonna put paper and they're gonna move.
Okay, in one of my videos, someone said that those pink installations, it shows, and if they do something like that in their state, the inspector, that's not installation from the flex. That's a roll of insulation. That's a R8 insulation. We have to use R8 wrap insulation, and they come in pink or yellow. I like pink because it doesn't have too much glass and it doesn't bother me when I work with it. The yellow one has a lot of glass on it, and every time we use it, you know, it's just the all body hitch, and anybody work in the attic, it's a really bad quality. But this one is doesn't have that much glass in it, and it's much better working with it too. It's easier. This is not R6, this is R8 insulation. We wrap around TYs and everything, and it's not from inside the flex that is popping out. It's just the wrap that we use. And as you see that, we wrap the box around with that one, just like that one. Anywhere we have exposed metal, we wrap it with R8 insulation. So then thing that we're using, it comes in a roll like that. So let me take a little video from this side so you guys can see what we did here. Yeah, so that's the planner box. We run one 12-inch this way. Oh, I'm sorry, a 10-inch, and then it goes 10, 8, 8, and then that's a 14-inch coming out, 14, 10, 8, and then we have one 10-inch goes from the top, goes to those two last rooms there. So this is a 2-ton heat pump system, and this is how we do the job. And we put every 5 feet and the straps on the line set so it can keep the vibration when the system is working. It doesn't vibrate. If you leave the copper line without strapping, then when the system is working, it creates vibration. And then when we finish everything, we cover all our registers with cardboard, so no dust or dirt goes to inside the dock. And all the boxes has to be framed in two opposite sides As you guys see, well, the framers is not, this guy is not a framer, he's just a helper. He's not doing very good job with his framing. He kind of messed up the, look at this, the way he nailed the wood. And that's not my problem, that's the contractor. And anywhere we penetrate the line set from, we put a safety plate so they don't put any nails. And it was outside, we put a little backing there so the pipe doesn't push itself. That's not going around, it's a backing strap. And I put a service valve there and I pressurize it with nitrogen. So I'll come back in a few days and test it again, make sure that when they finish the paper and everything, they don't put any nail. If the nitrogen is missing, then we know that there's a leak. All right, so we're pretty much done here. We're not gonna come back to this job till probably everything is done, stucco, drywall, paint, and then we come back and install the registers. And that's my return right there.